Welcome to this Windows and computer channel. And it has to happen because it has to happen every time something major happens. So with what's happening with COVID-19, with the famous coronavirus around the world, more and more scams are appearing online. Be alert. A lot of things can be sent to you now with, it goes from the an email that says, "Oh well, here we have tons of news of what's happening," or here is something from. It could be passed on by oh, your government is wants to send you this file that you need to open because it has very important information about what's happening with the virus. But in reality, you're going to open a virus. Lots of scams with there's if you're on Android. One is a scam of a app that is apparently supposed to track the coronavirus around the world, but it's actually locking your phone down, and they ask $100 in Bitcoin to actually get your phone back. So be very, very careful of anything you receive through email, Facebook Messenger, anything you see online that's not an official source. It's extremely important to be safe because there's a lot of bad guys out there that are trying to make money off of what's happening with this. And if you are stuck inside, if you're stuck at home, you'll use your computer more. You're going to use your phone more. Why? Because, when you're stuck at home, what are you going to do? Go online and you look at stuff. And it's extremely important to stay safe from the scammers out there that are trying to lure you into, whatever that could make you lose money. Please tell your friends, tell your family that scams are starting to appear everywhere concerning this coronavirus, and that you can infect your PC, you can infect your phone. You can also, if it's not an infection, think that something is there to help out. Fake scams of getting money to help out on whatever. Oh well, if you fill out this form and give us a donation, and then you steal your credit card and all of that. Once again, always make sure that if you do something, if you do want to help out, if you want to know what's happening, to make sure that you have the right sources, the good ones, and share the good ones. Tell your friends, well, these are proper sites for everything. And once again, be alert. More and more scams are going to appear in the coming days and weeks with what's happening right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.